Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. I wanted to do a little bit of an update after the dump we had yesterday evening, or at least overnight, I should say. All right, because Dogecoin, and I covered this a couple of days back, I was actually quite bullish on Dogecoin. I mean, what you could see, and just objectively, I think it was the right choice to be bullish on Dogecoin. But in the end, I think it was overextended a little bit too much, all right? I mean, obviously, we had Elon with the laser eyes, which obviously pumped up Dogecoin a little bit more. But before that, we were already gaining somewhat of a bullish market structure. You can see right here that we got a significant bullish breakout above 12 and 11.5 cents. We even broke above 13.5 cents, but here it went wrong, all right? I believe here he removed the laser eyes. So we got a bearish breakout. We were still holding on to the trend right here. So we were still technically bullish yesterday. But then overnight, when Bitcoin fell, Dogecoin lost that. All right. And I think at this point of time, we lost the uptrend. One of the things why I was also relatively bullish on Dogecoin, which I was wrong about, is that Dogecoin against Bitcoin looked quite strong. Here you can see on Monday, we were almost breaking out there. But now we're back in that consolidation, all right? So in general, do I still think that Dogecoin can rally at some point of time? Yes, certainly. It's just that at this point of time, we just lost, technically at least, we lost the uptrend. You could argue that we already lost it right here when we got that first bearish breakout. But we've also lost a ton of momentum right here. And we're gaining some momentum here, as you can see. But it's very mixed, all right? It's not only longs, which we do want to see. So yeah, I mean, in the end, it might have even been a little bit manipulated. You can see some big buy orders coming in, TWAP sell-off, which is a clear sign of manipulation. So yeah, that's not great. But at this point of time, what that brings us to is that, all right, well, Dogecoin has lost its bullish momentum. But if you zoom out, purely technically, we still do have a good chance to turn this into something good. I assume, even though Bitcoin has dropped down quite a bit overnight, I assume that Bitcoin and the markets will stay bullish in the next month. So in general, altcoins should move together with that a little bit. Altcoins in general are at a strong support here, and I expect a bounce. And then if you look at Dogecoin, if you zoom out, which we are at now on the 12-hour time frame, this is actually a bullish market structure, all right? We had some sort of a bottom right here. We got a bullish breakout, and we're still holding that. So on the short term, I've turned more bearish on Dogecoin, or less bullish, I guess you could say. But ultimately, I do still expect us to hold this level, first of all, that we are at right now. And then second of all, I also do think it's a matter of time before we are able to break back above 13.5 and 14.5 cents again, or at least get up there, all right? I think it's a matter of time before we get up there, and then I keep an eye on Dogecoin either way, so then when we get up there, I'll make some sort of a video update on whether we can break above that. Now, obviously, it would be very bullish if anything happens with Tesla or with Elon Musk, that something happens there, that something comes out regarding them and crypto, then Dogecoin will perform. That's not something I can predict though. So when that happens, I'll keep you updated on that as well. But for now, I would say finding support at this major support level between 12 and 11.5 cents. And then consolidating on top of that. So probably between 13.5 and 11.5 cents. I would say that's most likely. And then if anything happens in terms of gaining momentum, in terms of market circumstances, that we can actually break out both ways, I'll let you know. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.